In an era where technology touches every aspect of our lives, the way we manage our money is undergoing a transformative shift. The evolution of personal finance management has been a journey marked by continuous innovation. From the days of meticulously maintained ledger books and manual calculations, we transitioned to spreadsheet programs, simplifying data entry and arithmetic. But the digital age didn't stop there. With the advent of the internet, online banking and digital transactions became the norm, and the concept of personal finance management took a leap forward. Mobile apps started offering budgeting tools, expense trackers, and investment advice right at our fingertips. But the game changer in this evolution is the integration of artificial intelligence. AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, offering unprecedented levels of personalization and predictive analysis. So, buckle up and get ready to explore this brave new world. Welcome to the world of AI-powered personal finance management. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword. It has become a cornerstone of innovation in the 21st century, touching every industry from healthcare to transportation. But what exactly is AI? At its core, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of mimicking human intelligence. Think of it as a digital brain, processing information, learning from it, and making decisions based on that learning. But unlike the human brain, AI can process vast quantities of data at lightning speed, providing insights and solutions that would take humans much longer to arrive at. Now let's bring this concept into the realm of finance. Imagine the myriad of financial transactions you make every week, every month, every year. Each of these transactions is a piece of data. What if you could harness the power of AI to analyze all this data, understand your spending habits, and generate financial advice tailored specifically to you? That's where AI comes into play in personal finance. It has the ability to sift through mountains of financial data, understand patterns, and provide personalized financial advice. AI algorithms can analyze your spending habits, identify areas where you can save, and even predict future financial trends. For instance, if you're spending a significant amount on eating out, an AI-powered finance tool could identify this trend and suggest ways to cut back. Or if you're saving for a specific goal, AI can help you create a budget and track your progress, adjusting the plan in real time as your financial situation changes. Moreover, AI can offer a level of automation that simplifies financial management. It can automate tedious tasks like categorizing expenses, tracking bills, and calculating taxes, freeing up your time and reducing the risk of human error. To sum up, AI is a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way we manage our finances, offering personalized insights, automating tedious tasks, and even predicting future financial trends. But how does it work? Let's dive deeper. Imagine an assistant that knows your financial goals, understands your spending habits, and can guide you towards smarter decisions. Now let's make that leap from imagination to reality. Welcome to the world of AI-assisted personal finance. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the way we approach our finances. It's like having a personal financial advisor on call 24/7. AI has the ability to analyze your income, track your expenses, and help you create a personalized budget. It can even adjust your budget in real time based on your spending patterns, ensuring you're always on track to meet your financial goals. But the benefits of AI don't stop at budgeting. It's also a powerful tool for expense tracking. By analyzing your transactions, AI can categorize your spending into various groups, such as groceries, entertainment, or utilities. This gives you a clear picture of where your money is going, enabling you to make informed decisions about your spending habits. And then there's investment advice. With AI, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to make smart investment decisions. It can analyze market trends, assess potential risks, and offer personalized investment advice tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some folks who've experienced the transformative power of AI in their personal finance journey. One user shares, "AI has made budgeting a breeze. I can see where my money is going and make adjustments on the fly." Another says, "I used to be intimidated by investing, but with AI, I feel confident making investment decisions." These testimonials are just a small glimpse into the profound impact AI can have on personal finance management. From creating budgets that adjust in real time to identifying saving opportunities you never knew existed, AI is that assistant. It's the future of personal finance, and the future is now. Every penny counts, and AI is here to ensure you're not wasting any. Imagine this. You're subscribed to a streaming service you barely use or a gym membership that's gathering virtual dust. And AI can identify such unnecessary subscriptions, helping you cut back on these unnoticed expenses. Now consider your regular purchases. Be it groceries, utilities, or your favorite coffee, AI can compare prices across multiple platforms and find you the best deals, saving you a significant amount every month. And it's not just about catching the small stuff. AI can also help you make larger financial decisions. For instance, it can suggest refinancing your mortgage when interest rates drop, or switching insurance providers when there's a better deal available. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data helps it identify patterns and trends that might escape the human eye. By analyzing your spending patterns, AI can uncover hidden savings, alert you to bill increases, and even negotiate better rates on your behalf. Investing can be complex and intimidating, but with AI, it doesn't have to be. Just as we've seen artificial intelligence revolutionize various aspects of personal finance, it's now making its mark in the realm of investment and wealth management. Think about the vast amounts of data that investors need to sift through: market trends, economic indicators, company reports, and so much more. It's an overwhelming task for even the most experienced investors. But here's where AI steps in. With its ability to analyze huge swaths of data in seconds, AI can identify patterns, make predictions, and provide insights that human analysts might miss. It's like having a superpowered magnifying glass that can see the tiniest details and the biggest picture all at once. Now, let's consider portfolio management. Traditionally, this involves constant monitoring and tweaking to ensure your investments align with your financial goals and risk appetite. Again, it's a time-consuming task that requires a high level of expertise. But with AI, portfolio management becomes a breeze. AI algorithms can automatically rebalance portfolios, ensure diversification, and even predict how different scenarios could impact your investments. It's almost like having a personal financial advisor working for you around the clock. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of AI in investment is the personalization it brings. Just as Netflix recommends shows based on your viewing history, AI-powered investment platforms can offer personalized investment advice based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment history. It's a whole new level of customization that makes investing more accessible and less daunting. In essence, AI is democratizing the world of investment and wealth management. It's breaking down barriers and making it easier for everyone to grow their wealth, regardless of their financial knowledge or experience. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or a newbie dipping your toes in the investment pool, AI has something to offer. From risk assessment to portfolio management, AI can tailor investment strategies that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. With AI by your side, you're not just playing the investment game, you're changing it. Bringing an AI-powered finance tool to life involves a blend of technology, finance expertise, and user-centric design. It's like crafting a masterpiece that's as intelligent as it is user-friendly. First, developers dive into the world of code, creating algorithms capable of learning from and adapting to user behaviors. Meanwhile, finance experts ensure the tool is versed in the nuances of personal finance, from budgeting basics to complex investment strategies. And let's not forget about the designers, who weave these elements into an intuitive and engaging user interface. But creating the tool is just half the battle. Promoting it requires showcasing its benefits in a relatable way. Highlight how it can simplify budgeting, uncover saving opportunities, or demystify investing. Stress on its commitment to data security and transparency in its decisions. For developers and entrepreneurs, the key is to focus on solving real-world problems, ensuring data security, and maintaining transparency in AI decisions. As we wrap up our journey through the evolution of personal finance, we invite you to embrace the future with us. The world of AI is ever-evolving, and there's always something new to discover. As you navigate your path to financial freedom, remember that the tools you need are just a click away. On your screen now, you'll see some options. You can subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest in AI and personal finance. We also have a library of videos for you to explore, each one packed with valuable insights on how to optimize your financial management. Until next time, remember, the future is now. Embrace it, explore it, and most importantly, enjoy it. Because with AI, your financial future is in your hands.